Okay, for those of you who are doing the Getty Alternate Assignment, the folder is blue. Click on the folder. The Getty Alternate Assignment is right here. I'm just going to move it up. Okay, so you can turn in your assignment here where it says Getty Alternate Assignment. You can turn it in there. Oops. And then right here where it says Alternate Assignment to Getty Tour, it's a docx, okay? So click on that docx. All right, and here's the document. So there it is, full screen, okay? You cannot edit on this document. Schoology does not allow you to edit inside of Schoology. See the little hand? And you can't copy and paste it either. So you're gonna have to download it. There's two ways to download this. You can either go up here and click this arrow and download, and then you'll see it coming up like on the bottom of your screen right here, or you can click this little tab right at the bottom to download, and then that also downloads it at the bottom. From there, you can just click on the document and open it up, and there it is, okay? If there's a little yellow tab up here, it says Enable Editing. You want to click that, okay? So now you can edit this document, okay? So this is a Word document, right? It's not the same as Google Doc. So you know how like some of your teachers have you work in a Google Doc and the Google Doc automatically saves everything you type? In a Word document on your desktop or Chromebook, it doesn't automatically save. You have to save it. So once you've downloaded it like this, you're going to go to this top file here where it says File. You're going to click File and you're going to do a Save As. Okay? And then find a place to save this. Find a folder, whatever folder you use, you know, to put your schoolwork in, or for my class, whatever it is, and then you want to save it. And I would save it with your name, okay? That way when you turn it in, it has your name on it and I recognize it's yours. So you do a Save As, so that saves it in the folder that you want. Now you can go through and you can edit this document, okay? So for this Getty Alternative Tour assignment, type your name, okay, so type the period, okay. Click on this link, and that will take you to a page. I can't click on it now because I have to hold the phone, but it'll take you to a page where you'll see an artwork called Landscape with a Calm. So you will need to answer the following questions. Whoops. So the question here is, you need to type here the artist's name, the culture, the place it was created, the country, and the medium. Okay, so the medium is going to be like oil on canvas or oil painting, whatever that is. All right, so every time you type something in the Word document, after you've typed it, okay, go up to this corner here and click Save. And you're going to have to save your document several times. It's very important in a Word doc to continuously save, especially since if you're used to doing Google Docs, you don't have to save. Okay, watch out for this question here. It's under the same link. A couple of people, actually one person, missed this whole entire thing right here. In this page, there are 2 paragraphs, very short, but in there are the answers to these 3 questions, okay? So pay attention. Then go on to this link right here. It's a podcast. So listen to that podcast and answer the following questions. Okay, so a few people forgot these questions too. That's why I wrote in red. Type your answer here. The podcast is an hour. You do not have to listen to the entire hour. You just have to listen to where it starts at 2 minutes and listen to it to about 3 minutes and 2 seconds. And then you're just going to listen to the podcast from 50 minutes, 59 seconds to 54 minutes. Okay? And then so on. So the answers to those questions are in the podcast. Listen very carefully and try to answer these questions. Like, for example, this one is describe the painting in detail. Based on the podcast, please do not just put one sentence in there. The narrator says a lot of things about the painting. He talks about it extensively, so try to put in at least 3 sentences, various details describing the painting. Okay, the second one, the question is, what devices were used to attract the viewer into the painting? Landscape with a comma. So by device, I mean what objects, shapes, visual cues. Okay, type your answer here. Number 3, why did Poussin make the sky cloudy and the reflection of the sky in the water clear? What is he trying to express by making these images different? Okay, so see if you can figure that one out. Just look at the picture and then also listen to the podcast. Okay, the next one is a different painting. You're going to click on the link and you will find the page from the Getty for the painting A Walk at Dusk. Answer the following questions for the painting titled A Walk at Dusk. Okay, the artist, the culture, the date, the medium. Okay, so the date would be the year that the painting was made. The culture is the country that the painting was made in, or where the artist is from. Okay, medium would be stuff like, oil on canvas, lithograph on paper, printmaking, whatever. All right, then you're going to read the 2 paragraphs and listen to the 1-minute audio. At the bottom of the screen, you have to click Related Media tab to find the 1-minute audio. Then summarize in your own words what is being said about the artwork. In other words, what is going on in the art. Then you're going to look at the man in the painting A Walk at Dusk. What is he wearing? Please describe. Why is he wearing these items? Look at the rocks. The large rock is elevated by several small ones. Why? What is the mood of this painting? Is it a happy painting? Or is it a sad painting? Number 10, justify your answers. If it's a happy painting, tell me why you think it's happy. Perhaps it's happy because the moon has eyes, nose, and a smiley mouth. Maybe the painting is happy because the sky is blue and there's beautiful pink and red flowers and love is in the air. Whatever it is, you have to justify your answer. Okay? All right. Then when you're done, don't forget to go back to File. Before you close your document, go to File and Save. Okay? Always save. All right, then I'm going to close that out. Okay, and then, another thing, when you download these items, if they do not come up in the bottom of your screen like they do on mine, and if they do not pop up like, here's the document, like automatically, then it probably means that you have to go to your download file. So down on the bottom of my screen, I have this little folder right here that's yellow. I'm just going to click there, and I'm just going to go to Downloads. Whoopsies. Download, and I'm going to click Download. and my downloads are right there. Okay, the 2 documents I downloaded. All right, so you can drag this into your folder, whatever folder you have on here, you know. So for example, for me, it would be quarter 3, Getty Tour. I'm gonna rename this. I'm just gonna give it a, I don't know, you can call it your name. So I'll say Jane Doe. I'll just pretend my name is Jane Doe. So I want to name it first so that it doesn't override my original document. And I will take this and drag it into my Getty Tour folder. And there we go. Okay, and then when I click on that folder, it's right there. Jane Doe Alternate Assignment to Getty Tour. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye.